दुनिया वालून रमजान में तो मेरा पीछा छोड़ दो या फिर मेरे जरिए कुरान पाक की अच्छी वीडियोस दिखा करो।
तुमने मुझे रातों रात खाना छोड़ दिया। अक्सर शख्सियात नहीं है चीनी के अलावा हाँ हमें क्या बात समझो।
Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I was thinking to explain you something very interesting. Have you seen on YouTube nowadays the objects are talking and there are million views for on these types of videos. And the best thing is there is not the complex prompt or too much efforts on these type of videos. You can create these videos like this and get the millions views, not the money views now. Okay guys, so let's go to the screen and I will show you with Grok, with Whisk, with ChatGPT. So move it.
So the first thing, we will open the ChatGPT, but not the simple ChatGPT. We will open Explore GPT. Uh, I will put the link in my description if you are not able to find this Explore GPT. So you can click the link and you can go in Explore GPT, because in Explore GPT we have the option for this objects. Okay, this is Explore GPT. I will paste the link in my description. So in Explore GPT, here you will come and you will write object talk. Okay, once you write object talk, you will find different models. Yani you will find many models there. I write object talk, and here you can see there are many, but you will click the first one, object talk. You will click on start chat and then you will find this interface. Okay, here you will write the object, what do you want, yani mobile or banana or whatever you want. Suppose I want to take the object banana. Okay, so I will write here banana and just enter, and then leave everything on ChatGPT. ChatGPT will manage each and everything. It will give you the text to image, prompt, and a script, whatever. Okay, so what we have to do, you can see now there are different fruits also it's giving, but if you want to take it, or if you want your another object, yani from your choice, you can write here another object. So we will come here and we will copy this text to image prompt. Okay, we will copy from here, but this prompt we will paste it in Whisk for to create the image. But before this, we need the image to convert the video. So we will copy the text to image and we will paste it here. Okay, you can choose the aspect ratio if you are making shorts, so you can take 9:16, or you are making a long video, so you can choose this one. Okay, whatever you choose, I take for shorts, and then click on generate. It will start creating the images, and now you can see the images has been generated. You can see which image is better. If you want to change anything, you can change in the prompt and generate again. Okay, so here suppose I take this, I copy image, right click and copy image from here. Now the final step, how we will convert this image into the video. So for this we will use Grok. Okay, we will come on Grok, we will paste here this image, copy image, we will go to imagine and paste here. The image has been pasted. Now we will go to video, make video. Okay, but before this you have to make one small setting. You will click here, go to setting, and then you will go to behavior. Then this last option will be enable, so you have to disable, because we don't want to create automatically, because it will take your credits. 20 videos you can do it, but if it will create automatically, the credits will be lost. Okay, so now we pasted this image from here. Now we will go to ChatGPT again and we will take the script this time. Okay, because we already generated the image from Whisk. This is the image now, and we will go to ChatGPT again, and this time we will copy the script, not this one, this one. Okay, we will copy from here, and again we will come to Grok, and with this image we will paste it here. Okay, whatever object you have, you will write here this object says. Suppose there is a banana is the object, I will say the banana says, and then the whole text I will write in inverted commas. I will put inverted commas in the beginning, and I will put the inverted commas in the last. Then I will select from here. Okay, everything is okay, khalas. The banana says. Now I will select from here make video, because there are two options, images and the video. You will create video and click on. Okay, now I wrote it in the image. Okay, I copy again, I write again the banana says and inverted commas in the beginning of the text and the last of the, and then click generate. Once I click on generate, this image will
It was perfectly yellow yesterday. Now I've got spots and suddenly I'm too ripe. I'm sweeter now. That's
Video.
science. Ignore me and I turn into banana bread out of spite.
You can see now our first video has been generated. We will download from here. Now the same process we will do with another images what we generated, or we will come to the ChatGPT again. We can take from here, or you can, if you need some another object, so you can write here. Suppose I write mobile, so just I have to write the object. I write mobile and just press enter. Now the same thing the ChatGPT, not ChatGPT, Explore GPT created. We copy the text from here. We will paste this in Whisk. Okay, now we can copy this, go to Whisk, and then remove the old text, or you can create the new project, whatever you want. Okay, I remove it. Now I will paste the new text here, and I will click on choose again short or long, and then click generate. It will again create the object. You can see now this time this is what was the mobile. Which image is better? You can copy the image, right click on it. You can edit the text here if you want. Okay, so which image is better? I will right click on the image, I will copy, or I can download from here. Okay, I copy this image from here. Now I will come to Grok again. I will paste here, and once it pasted, again I will go to ChatGPT and I will take the script, 10-second script. I will copy this from here and paste it in Grok with the image. Okay, now this time we have mobile, so I will write the mobile says. The mobile says, and then inverted commas, because we have to write this text in inverted commas. It's not important, but it's better because sometimes it gives error. Okay. Okay, again I did the same mistake. Go to video and then paste the text and then click on generate. So it will create also this second video, and then the video, once the video done,
Breathe under here. You stream charge and
you can
suffocate me at the
download
same
it
tree,
again.
not drama. He cooled down before I shut down.
And now you can download this video again. And after that you can use CapCut or any software, Filmora or whatever software you use for editing videos. You can manage one by one. Yani, you can arrange that this will be the first video, this will be the second video. Okay, so now you can change the language if you want to change the language for this. So you can go to Google Translate, and I change this language, I copy here and I will paste here and then generate again. Now whatever banana or mobile will speak, it will speak in Urdu, Hindi, or whatever language you want. So you can see.
यहाँ सांस नहीं ले सकता। आप एक ही वक्त में मुझे स्ट्रीम करने चार्ज करते हो, मर देती है कि मस्ती है, दरमा नहीं है। बंद होने से पहले मुझे ठंडा होने दो।
Okay, so like this you can generate the video with different language. So okay guys, then you can organize the videos with Filmora or CapCut or whatever software you are using to editing the videos. Guys, it was the video for today. If you have any question, any problem, you can ask me in the comment box. So guys, till the next video, take care. Bye.